What's up to my friends on YouTube? In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to pin a comment on your Instagram post. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, basically whenever you post something on Instagram and somebody comments, if you've ever seen that you have a lot of comments on your post, you could easily just pin that comment and it will be right at the top of the comments. So anybody else that's opening the comments will see that right at the top there, and it is just a nice way if you want your followers to see a comment that somebody left. Anyway, I just have this one comment right here, and I'm just going to pin it for the example of this video. But basically what you need to do is to just swipe left on the comment. It's going to come up with these three options here, and the one to the left there is going to be the pin icon there. It's going to give you a short paragraph just describing basically exactly what I said. That is going to be at the top of the description. Now, I don't have any other comments on this post, so the function of this doesn't really make any sense. But I was just using that as an example just for this video so I could show you what you needed to do to pin the comment. For example, if it was at the bottom of the comment search results and you did pin it, you would see it slide all the way to the top, and it's going to be right below your caption now for all to see. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you did have any questions on how to do this, comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this tutorial helpful today, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.